This is the best processing machine for billiard ball, billiard leg and billiard post. All furniture factories use this CNC turn-mill lathe machine to process billiard legs. It is called CNC wood lathe. It firstly uses the saw blade to open the rough, and the rough efficiency is increased by 2 times. Secondly, it uses the turning knife to turn the wood. Thirdly, it uses the customized knife to slot. Let us see the processing. This is the finished product, smooth without burrs, very beautiful. Please contact me.